What is an excuse to call off of work that a boss can't argue with? I'd only been at the company for about 6 or 7 months when I got really sick. It started with me collapsing in the server room one day. My coworker found me running a crazy high fever and took me straight to the hospital. Everyone at work was super understanding, and they let me work from home while I tried to recover, but things didn't get better. A week later, I collapsed again, and this time my parents got me admitted to the hospital. I was barely able to walk, talk, or even eat. It felt like my body was shutting down. I didn't know what was wrong, and neither did the doctors, but it was bad. Since it was the weekend, I wasn't too worried about work until my phone rang. I couldn't even talk, so my mom answered for me. Apparently, my boss had called to ask me for files on a project I wasn't even working on. My mom, in her calm mom voice, let him know I wasn't exactly in a position to help. She told him I was in the hospital because they were running tests to figure out why I needed blood transfusions, had lost almost 50 pounds in 2 months, and couldn't keep food down. She gave him my room number and told him he could visit if he wanted. I didn't expect anything to come of it, but soon my hospital room was filled with flowers, cards, teddy bears, you name it. My boss felt awful for not realizing how sick I was, and my coworkers went above and beyond to support me. I ended up being diagnosed with lupus after 10 days in the hospital. It took me 5 weeks to get back to work, but when I did, my team treated me like gold. If I even looked tired, they sent me home to rest. Not every boss or workplace is like that, and I'll always be grateful to have had a team that genuinely